video if you can, Captain.
Get the fish. Don't worry about the video, bub. Get the fish. Nice. Very nice. First one. Beauty. Bluefish. Nice striper. Right. Something right, bud. Almost had my head taken off the other day like that. Big bluefish. See how big he is. Yeah, no, he'll stick him. He'll stick him. Just give him a second to get this bass in. No, he's got a bluefish. He's got a striper over here. Ooh. Is that Nick?
Finally!
Oh my God, there is a God.
Finally, there's a God!
There you go. 4 or 5 on here now. Go make you a movie star. Last time we just had pictures. This time we make you a movie star.
Oh yeah.
Here they come. Well, that is one big bluefish. Jesus. The size of that thing. Get a little video of that big baby. Yeah, nice. Good job.
Yeah, put it in the barrel, guys.
It's a nice striper there, Bill. Yes, sir. That's a beauty. Come on, get that baby in the boat. That's a sweetheart. Get him, Bert. Ah, very nice. Yes, sir. There's one swimming with him, Nick.
Yeah, I see it, bro.
Yeah. There was 2 of them coming up with him.
Follow the other one, right?
I just want to swing around and get back on him there. Nice bass. Nicky, this is scary, Nick. Got a nice little shot of bass just now. A couple nice big keepers. Sal's got one in the bow here. Took a while to get the bite going. We just had a decent drift here. A real big bluefish. Probably a half a dozen keeper bass on this one so far. Another one in the bow there. See, he's playing with the power of positive thinking. He grabbed the net. Oh yeah. Nice one too. Nice one, bud. Nice striper. There you go. See that? I I give him a little talking to, he straightens himself out, he catches a bass and a bluefish. Keeper too. You got a bass over here, Chris. Leave him in the water, kid. He's coming. He's right here. There you go. Hallelujah. All right, good job. Big one. Here they come. Another one on. 3 on. Hang on tight. Hang on tight to that rod. Oh, Jesus. Scotty. Holy crap. Wow. Keep going, keep going. It's a big one.
Fish on.
All right. Good job. Shot of the day. Everybody's hooked up. Whole boat's in.